Hello. Today we are in my daddy and mommy's house. It's pretty cool actually and nice. Look at that. Okay. And also there's a birthday right now. And there's a trampoline like this. But it's not mine, okay? So so, making a video inside is kind of boring. So I go outside my mommy and daddy's house. Here's the sitting area where we eat. Flowers. You want, guys, this is kind of an old truck. And this is the beach.
Paano mo na siya? Ginain mo sa video, short sa paano naman?
And my family
Kuha naman, drawing niya.
is my friend.
Daga na kayo. Wala na siya video.
And someone there. Okay. Okay, today. Oh. See the cloud.
Ato ba mga drawing ko lang ni mo kiling? Drawing ni ko ano?
It's a trash. Tree. Oh, look at that light. See that light? Yep, it's ours. Oh my god. There's more. You can see that right there. The seas are precious. Oh my god, so cool. I know.
Saan mo na? Dugo po, tana do.
Okay.
Kaniya, umidit-idit ya. Ang video ipo.
Okay.
Sa mga tido.